What's going on, everybody? I have a video today where I'm going to show you guys how you can put bigger brakes on the front end of your 02 to 06 Denali's, Tahoes, Suburbans, those generation of GM SUVs. Very easy to do and very cost effective. All you need to do is get new brake calipers with the brackets from the third gen full-size SUVs and the brake rotors. So it's a very easy swap. If you're doing a brake job to your vehicle and you need new calipers anyways, a lot of them seize up like brakes do up here in New England. So if you were looking for new calipers, if you buy these calipers, you'll be able to put on bigger brakes. You can buy these AC Delco for pretty cheap money. I will leave the link for the calipers in the description for you so you can purchase what you need from there. As far as the rotors and pads go, you guys can buy whatever brand you want. But if you're looking for calipers, Amazon has AC Delco for a very cheap price. They're both under $100 each. So for $200, you could have brand new AC Delco calipers that'll fit the bigger brakes, your 02 to 6 Denali's, Suburbans, Tahoes, and all of that. So I'm gonna show you what you need to do to take off your brakes right now. All right, so right now we are looking at a third gen Escalade. This is a 2010. So these are the actual brake calipers that you would be buying. I did this swap on my 2006 GMC Denali. I have sold that, so I don't have that to show you right now. But basically it's a very easy thing. All you're doing is taking out the calipers and swapping in bigger ones. The main thing to remember is that you need the brackets for the calipers. So you can buy that all as an assembly. So what you need to do is take off the bolts that go to the whole caliper assembly. On the back side, there's two 18mm bolts. One is here, and then one is down the bottom right here. They're 18mm. Basically all you have to do is take those out, unbolt them, take off the brake line that's right here with a 10mm, and then swap in the new brake calipers. That's all you have to do. You would have to bleed the brakes, obviously, to make sure that is all good. And then you can put on the bigger rotors. And I'm gonna show you guys the pictures that I took of when I did the swap. It's about an inch bigger diameter. So it's basically what you're looking at right now, because this is a third gen. But the other ones, they're much smaller. They probably only go to this line right here. So I'm gonna let you guys see those pictures right now. And that's the difference between the old ones and the new ones. The new ones are about an inch bigger. It's very easy to do. Like I said, if you're gonna be replacing calipers anyways on the older models, then you can just spend the money on the newer model calipers and get bigger, better brake. So in the description, I will leave the links for the AC Delco calipers with brackets that you guys can buy very easily, get them primed, shipped to you, and then you can put them on. Make sure you check that out. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you for watching.